When you do things with love and intention, you have things like Hunters Point Family. You have a plethora of programs throughout the city. You have people that grow up here working and running the programs. You have kids going through the programs and then going off to college. You see beautiful things here happening at Hunters Point Family because of the love and intention that goes into all of the programs.
I talk a lot about soil here because that's a really important part. Foundation, I tell them your youth, this is your foundation too. What you put in the soil, what you put in yourself, that's what's gonna grow out of you later. The kids are walking around with a certain sense of confidence of, you know, I can not only pick a tomato, but I know how to cook and I can grow it, and from stem to pot.
Miss Hannah, she's awesome, she's wonderful. She is our garden coordinator at Adam Rogers Garden. She oversees about 20 youth on a weekly basis.
I'm teaching the kids how to grow. I'm doing something productive. If nothing else, we're just having a moment together. Sometimes they have to de-stress from school. And they're used to the regimen of, okay, we're here to work, we're not here to play, but we're here to have fun. We work hard, we play hard, we eat good. That's kind of the motto.
If we create opportunities for people here to eat healthy, then naturally, I feel like people are going to be healthier. We're going to live longer, fruitful lives.
A tomato plant come up through the through the cement. I plucked it and I took it and planted it in my mom's yard. And the tomatoes come on like this big. I said, oh, uh-huh. But I love seeing things grow.
Miss Jackie. She oversees our Alice Griffith garden, and she manages about 10 youth on a weekly basis, and she teaches them permaculture, horticulture, urban farming, regular just gardening.
I enjoy it. That's why I'm there so long. Because I enjoy seeing the food grow, and then to helping the people to learn how to feed themselves.
We want our participants to come and build community cohesion, and we want our kids to see the goodness that comes from the ground.
Grandmothers had gardens in their backyard. We had family dinners. We have this culture around it. But then we are creating new traditions in this new era where hot chips are snacks and, you know, you're running to the corner store. When we go back to being sustainable and local, it's very much in alignment with the original native ways.
Marley I, she's our fantastic Healthy Baby Coordinator. She oversees our aquaponics program. Our aquaponics program started at the San Bruno Jail, and now we're building a tangible resource right here in Bayview, Hunters Point, for people that are coming out of jail to continue their education.
When you're offering a program that has, you know, few hours and a real heart connection, like you have to really want to do the work. And we were able to find some quality youth who were committed to not only, you know, getting a paycheck and showing up, but also to making changes within themselves. And I think the common thread that runs through that is about helping people elevate their place in society. And that can be in all areas of human activity.
Knowledge is the one gift that no one can ever take from you, right? So now that I know about all the different things that we do to contribute to the environment, I would say it's helped me a great deal because now I have a choice, and now I can choose whether I want to participate or whether I want to help solve the problem. And I want to help solve the problem, so I'm happy about that.
There's a place for everybody, whether you want to garden or whether you want to, you know, go into construction or landscaping or janitorial, or if you just want to be down there with people and just have that sense of community that happens when a group of people are together. There's a lot of people who just enjoy being around what we do.